Okay, so here's the footings going across the front of the house. We have the porch. It's about 40 feet long almost. And then you can see the garage bump out over in the front. All the forms are set, rebar set. We are ready for inspection and ready to pour. All right, here's the back corner. We're going to square off. I'm going to square that off with the first floor. We're going to go straight up with the second floor, and this will be the rear bathroom, stairs down to the lower level of the garage entry. See all the footings. Everything's in place. Okay, we got the cement truck here. We're pouring the forms. Filling the rebar in, casing it, cement, and you can see all the way down. This is the front porch going across the front. This is the garage bump out. We had it inspected, and now we are pouring the 3,500 psi concrete. Now we have another footing in the back here, which behind the garage we're going to be squaring off this area. You see our rebar is pinned into the wall, rebar ground wire, and it originally called for just a box going across and then coming back to this end here, but what we want to do is fill in the whole thing with concrete, make it more secure. It will block in the footing of the original garage, which you can see down there, so it's a nicer configuration and more strong. Completing this front floor here. Now we'll level this off. And then we'll start the final pour in the back footing. Right, here we go. We got about a yard and a half coming down the chute. We're just filling up this form here. Beats using a shovel and a wheelbarrow. Okay, so as we walk around the back here, the garage ends about 4 feet from the main part of the house. So we're squaring this off right here. You see we're squaring it off. The wall's built. Now, when we go and do a top floor, we're going to go above this whole structure now. And what's this area is going to be is there's going to be a bathroom over this area here. And what's going to happen is the wall here will get squared off. That wall right there will be the partition between the bathroom, and then there's going to be a mud room inside the old garage, because remember we extended the front out now 9 feet. So we're going to create a mud room. So you're going to come in through the garage, and there's going to be a door that gets you from the garage into the mud room, and then from the mud room you'll be able to come up a set of steps, and you'll be you get into the house over there. So we're going to be going straight across, up and over the whole structure. It's going to be a beautiful air level. Look over here, it's all set. We're ready for inspection. We're going to actually just have to put a foundation coating in here. Once we get that tomorrow, we're going to have an inspection tomorrow afternoon, which is already set up for. Okay, so you can see now, you got the existing garage, and now we're building this out almost 9 feet. The new garage will have a 12-foot door. We're going to cut that return wall with the left side of the original garage door. We're going to cut that back to the wall, separating the garage and the house. So this will open that up, and the car will be able to drive in to the original garage, except it's going to be wider now. And I'll show you what we're going to do in the back there. But as we look across the front, this is our lemonade porch. And you can see, so the garage is going to be across the front here, 15 foot 4 inches. The balance is going to be a lemonade porch. You see they're raising the piers up. Those piers are going to get wrapped with a decorative stone. And we're going to have the floor slope, a slight pitch away from the house with the finished floor. See how nice it's coming out. Fill that whole center with dirt. We have over here, backfill everything later after we get the inspection, so we'll backfill that. Then we'll put stone inside there, stone inside here, level it off, get another inspection. We also have some drains that we're going to run, so we'll run those as well before we close everything up. Okay, so here you get a final look at the foundation in place. Look how nice everything is all cleaned up. We have the piers in place. They're going to get wrapped with stone. It's going to be a step off, no railings around the lemonade porch. The center area is going to get filled with concrete and first dirt, stone, and then concrete. We're going to have limestone treads around the perimeter and a beautiful stone to complement the siding. Everything's all set up for our inspection. We'll get our inspection, we'll be able to backfill, and then we set up for our slabs. You see how nice everything is coming along. Here's a look at the garage, and you can see we're bumping out the front here. It's going to be a 12-foot door. Now you see the piers. Get a better look at the lemonade porch. It's going to be a great size porch all the way across the front of the house.